Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you easy step in writing ionic compound. So right before me, I have the trend for ionic charge, which we have the +1, the +2, +2, the +3, the -3, +2, -1, and 0. So these steps we differentiate between the metal and the non-metal. So there are easy steps to follow. So this is it. Which number one says that you identify the ion. Number two says you write the ion charge, you crisscross, reduce to the final ratio and omit the charge. So let's dive in. Right before me we have the aluminum oxide. Aluminum oxide. Looking at the first one, which says that we should identify the ion. Identifying the ion, we will have to work with the trend aluminium, and our aluminium is this is our aluminium. We write it down, aluminium. Then also we also have oxide. Oxide is the oxygen, and this is our oxygen. So write it. Second step says write the ionic charge. Our aluminium falls under the +3. So we write our charge +3. Then our oxygen falls under the -2. This is the metal, -2. Mind you, the positive ion come before the negative ion. So our number 3 say crisscross. So we crisscross, which our aluminium, no oxygen. The 3 is going to this place. That's why I crisscross. The 2 is going to this place. Then our step 4 said reduce it to the final ratio. We cannot cancel out this, so we omit the charge. So this is aluminum oxide. So let's look at another example. Magnesium chloride. The first step says that we should identify the ion. So identifying the ion, of magnesium chloride, we have to write it first. Magnesium chloride. Chloride is chlorine. I think this is it. Cl. So magnesium, we have to write the ionic charge. Magnesium is +2. Chlorine is -1, which is -1. Then the third step say we should crisscross. This is what I mean by that. Then our magnesium, we have our chlorine. So our -1 is coming to this side. Then our +2 is coming to this place. Then our step 4 says reduce to the final ratio and omit the charge. So I'm omitting this charge. So we have magnesium, so this is it. So this is the final answer for magnesium chloride. Let's dive into this. Zinc sulfide. Zinc sulfide. Our zinc, let's check. Our zinc is, let's identify it, writing it, zinc sulfide. So zinc falls under the +2, which is the metal. So write our ion +2. Then our sulfide falls under the -2. Write our -2. Then we crisscross. So in doing this, we have Zn and our S, which is our zinc and our sulfide. which can be also sulfur. Then our plus 2 is coming to this angle. Then our minus 2. Then the first step say reduce to the final ratio and omit the charge. So I'm omitting this charge. So when I'm reducing to the final ratio, I'm reducing this, which is 1, so it's out. Our final answer is zinc sulfide. This is the final answer. So the last but not the least is calcium chloride. That is the last but not the least, calcium chloride. Number 1, we said you should identify the ion. So our calcium is plus 2. So write our calcium chloride plus 2. Then our chlorine is, it falls under the minus 1. These are chlorine. Then our second step said we should crisscross. We should do this. Ca, which is calcium and chlorine. The minus 1 is coming to this side, then the plus 2 is coming to this side. I said omit the charge, so this is going out. So when we are reducing to the final ratio, this, then we cannot divide this. Our final answer is calcium. So this is our final answer. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more chemistry lessons.